How to fix YouTube, try searching to get started, problem fixed. If any day you are a YouTube user and you face a problem like this on your YouTube application and you would like to solve it, but you do not know how to do that, just follow the following steps. For this, first of all, you have to check whether they're connected to a stable internet connection or not. That may be your Wi-Fi connection or your data connection as well. After that, you have to go to the setting gear like icon on the top, and then you can send interface like this. Now in the search icon there, you have to search apps. After you search apps, now you can send interface like this. Now after you send interface like this, you have to go to the next option. That is, you have to go to the very option of the applications on your mobile device. For that, you have to wait for a while, and after you find it, you can tap on the option of apps like this. After that, you can just scroll down, and after scrolling down, when you find the option of YouTube on your very application list, you have to tap on YouTube like this. After you tap on YouTube, you can send interface like this. Now you can go to the option of notifications, and you have to allow notification and allow sound and vibration. Now you can just go downwards and allow the permission to camera, contacts, location, microphone, notification phone, photos and videos, and then just scroll down and then go to the option of storage. Here if you see any of the cache, you have to go to the option of clear the cache and then go to the option of app details and store. After tapping on app details and store, your very application will be opened in Google Play Store. If you see the option of update out there, you have to update your application, and this way your problem will be solved. Thank you for watching our video, and if you really like it, do not forget to subscribe our channel.